Welcome to J&J's test video of SYCE358. This is a 2000 Corvette C5 in dark bowling green metallic, one of about 1,500 for that year. It is a 6-speed manual, 109,000 miles. Someone took the exhaust off at the auction, so it's quite loud. Give you a rundown real quick, give you a test video, and that's that. I'm gonna attach can on it. We're gonna do a little airflow meter fixing from the wreck, and that's it. Show you the vitals and go deaf for a second. $109,948. Heater controls are dim. Has a Bluetooth radio that works. All that jazz. And here's what you came for. Make sure it's on visual. That's enough of that. So, we'll see what's up when it comes out. As always, thank you for watching, and have your pets spayed and neutered.